Yeah. Today I am really happy to announce the finally WaLead Copilot. We are killing it, guys. So WaLead is the main tool in Spain for LinkedIn automation software. Basically, we are much better than other tools because we have the safest algorithm. We never got any LinkedIn account banned, and we allow up to 40 daily invitations, not 20 or 25 or this kind of stuff, right? So today we are launching the Copilot. I mean, the AI assistant inside WaLead AI that can do crazy stuff. All right, let's compare it with Claude or with ChatGPT so you will see. So, for example, if I go to LinkedIn and I copy this link of Adam Robinson, the CEO of RB2B, I can go to Claude or I can go to ChatGPT and I can tell them, uh, hey, listen, extract all the leads that have commented on this LinkedIn post. All right, let's copy this. Let's paste this here too. And then let's also go to the compiler. So paste on ChatGPT, paste on Claude, and then paste on WaLead Copilot. And let's see what happens. I'm not able to access LinkedIn directly, so Claude AI can perform this task. ChatGPT says, well, yeah, even with tools, what actually works, why I can't pull those leads for you. So he can basically. But if we go to WaLead AI Copilot, he already has all these leads for me. But he's answering me in Spanish because we're a Spanish company, of course. But let's talk in English. Let's talk in English. All right. So yeah. So we basically have all these people extracted. So for example, some of them are Rob Clark. So let's go Control F. Rob. Where are you, Rob? Here we go. Rob Clark. He has also commented. Fine, perfect. So this is one of the things we can perform with WaLead AI. We can also perform like LinkedIn scraping from multiple profiles. We can perform people that have reacted to a single post, that have commented, people like, for example, scrape the LinkedIn post of some people to personalize the message. Tons of stuff that we can do. Okay, so now I want you to create a campaign called Adam Robinson. Let's paste this. The campaign Adam Robinson has been created successfully. All right. Add the leads to that campaign. All right, so it is automatically adding the leads. The first 10 leads have been added. Perfect. All right, now let's create a sequence. Sequence to sell, I'm not sure, a sequence to sell WaLead AI. To craft effective a sequence, yeah, let's say for example formal, something like 2 messages, one for follow-up, something like, hey name, I just saw you are into Legion and you have commented on Adam post about the HubSpot founder, and you can just go to the post and copy this or wherever, it's fine. And then you just paste here and it will create the whole sequence for you with all the steps and all that. Would you like me to load this message? Yeah, sure. So we have like yeah, so it's now adding the invitations, the message, all this stuff. So let's just refresh this. Now it's asking me if I want to launch the campaign. Not that fast, but yeah, we already have the campaign created with all the leads inside. Then we have an invitation step. We have here the message. Thanks for connecting and reaching out to help companies automate their outbound, linked with WaLead AI and all the messages. And we can. The invitation also has this message. I know you're interested in lead generation. Recently commented on Adam Robinson post about the HubSpot founder. I will glad to connect. And with this, we can tell him later to make more variants, improve that, try different scopes. So there are tons of possibilities, right? All right. If we go, for example, to analytics, we can also, for example, let's filter for the last 4 weeks, chat with Copilot, new chat, um, get advice, or audit my workspace. You can even personalize a prompt. So with this, you can like every Friday, for example, study how it has gone, what are the best performing messages of your campaigns, what are the best campaigns, what are the best LinkedIn identities that are working for you. So there are lots of things to do, right? So for example, here we're getting health score 7 out of 10, the best. There are no activity on these campaigns. Then we have an average of 41% acceptance rate. Then we have a reply rate of 18%. The top performing campaigns that we have. It's also saying that we have some unread conversations, and then it's giving us some recommendations. But you can for example ask the AI about like what are the best performing messages, so it can create some other messages like those and all that, right? And even if we go to the Unibox, we can, for example, ask read all my messages and tell me which ones I should follow up. So again, if in case we forget about replying someone, or we read a message but then never reply, it can help us to detect all these opportunities so we answer them again. So here you can go listing all unread conversations in the system. We can even try to get also the conversations that are read in case we have left something. So there are a lot of possibilities in which the copilot can help you outperform lead generation agencies, or if you're a lead generation agency, of course, have all this running smoothly for your clients, and allow your employees to answer really fast. Yeah, so again, it's answering me in Spanish. We have to improve that, of course. In English, please. But yeah, it's telling me that we have some leads that are like really hot. Yeah, highest priority leads, Muzaffar, and yeah, because they are happy to talk about the next steps. It's asking me about how our tool looks different from Heritage. Like the answer is it's much better. What the fuck? But but yeah. So it has a couple of questions, and it's telling me there are also low priority leads that are these ones that we may also want to check or something. Would you like a tailored message? Because we can even tell the AI, to draft a message for us and send it directly to answer all the people. So it also has that capacity. So this is our first version of the Copilot, and it's already outperforming ChatGPT and Claude. Of course, it's not intended to be like an LLM or something like this. Actually, we're using GPT 4.1, but it has other capacities because we are really specialized on LinkedIn and we can access much more information. So it will be really helpful for all your campaigns. So this is our first version. I want to get all the feedback from you because I think we can do crazy stuff with this, like get notifications on your email if a LinkedIn account gets disconnected, talk with you on WhatsApp or Slack, and do like crazy stuff so you can make much better all your campaigns with our Copilot. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any idea or you want to explore other integration with Make, Clay, or N10, you have here our comment description and all the videos that we have uploaded. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye bye.